match between the 4-0 Signal HD Spikers and the 4-1 Petrogas Angels. Those are the victims so far of the HD Spikers this conference. Counter-attack right away. Looking for a lift. Not called. Cayuna reverses to Jove. Jove is denied. Improving the blocking and the serving. Here's a block of the set brought to you by East West Bank, the official bank of the PBL All Filipino Conference.
One-on-one block na lang doon kay Jove.
Candler receiving. Molina denied. Coverage by Vanny. Cheng to Myla. Scramble here for the HD Spikers. And it looks like they're still going to get the point here.
Yeah, that was
They looked faster, quicker on their plays, on offense. Petrogas, even at 4-1, they've had some games where they looked a bit shaky.
Yung previous game nila against PLDT, Petrogas started slow but gumanda na yung laro nila ng second, third, and fourth set.
Parang 25-12 yata eh.
Yes, that's
Rin ako as a follower, and she asked that she had to dig deep in her college experiences as a captain, but here in the pros, she worked together with coaches, the management, to help develop the team's bond internally. And for how much
Conference, they reinforced where half of their squad was sick, remember?
Yeah.
In the early part of that conference, which really affected their team standings and their play towards the end.
But so far in this conference, ang ganda na pinapakita ng Petrogas Angels. Medyo nag-init na sila inside the court. Tuloy-tuloy na silang magandang laro pinapakita.
And individually, magandang pinapalaro. Some games was not even in uniform here for Petrogas. There was never a question about talent. Alam naman natin eh.
And talagang nakakaputol siya ng momentum ng kalaban.
What a dig there by Cheng off a 1-2 play. Gel. The push and a chance to counter again. They go back to Myla. Shoot set. Gel opens up to Gandler. Dacron sweeping. Myla again. She gets it again.
Yep.
7-6. They take over the lead.
Tapos sa ganyan, na nakaharap siya sa cross-court but targeting niya yun down the line. Pag may nakita lang siya na gap na doon kahit gano'ng kaliit or gano'ng kalaki dyan.
Another sharp one. Barbon was there. Myla humiga. What a dig. What a return there. Open to Ses. Nakabantay sa cross.
Oh!
Second ball put away by the captain.
Muntik na sila magkaroon ng miscommunication doon. Talk about Rem Palman, Aiza Maizo, because that's her strong angle also, si Aiza Maizo, because of her left-handed.
A match so far in 4 games. Better first ball there. Myla again. Constantly feeding Pablo. Slide. Sa gitna na naman dinala ni Rem. Good defense by Petrogas. Counter-attack. Vanny was there waiting. Barbon, sorry, that's Tempiatura.
Good defense.
Scramble. Long rally alert. Very close.
Oh,
Another
hirap
low one.
doon, back set.
Baba. That's the proper one. That's the proper set.
Good height for Van Sickle sa back row. For attackers, mapag-back front row man or back row. But good first ball dahil sakto kay Cheng yung defense na yun.
Biggest lead of the match now, partner. 12. Barbon is back. Pablo humiga.
Ang ganda ng approach ni Ren, but a low and fast set to Myla Pablo, leaving only one blocker in front of her. Knowing Myla Pablo, didiin na niya yun sa cross court.
Shell serving.
Good first ball.
Delayed by the block. Jove. And a free ball given to Petrogas. On 2 again.
Janelle's second point for this first set alone. Third point. Ang ganda nung talon niya na yun. Pero kita mo na lalabas niya, i-drop na niya eh. But hindi pa rin naka-adjust. And mas na-enjoy nila every point.
Sharp serve. Good first ball. Dawn was there. That's it. They stopped playing. Petrogas stopped playing. Signal was having a little bit of a mini run.
But they have a better game so far comparing to their start kanina. But yung blockings itong Petrogas Angels.
Basang-basa yung kilos ni Jove. Basang-basa kung saan pupunta. Kumbaga, lead is back to 6. Back to Vanny. Myla with the dig. Brooke. Dawn was there. Up for it. Aiza overcompensates.
Yeah, too much of an angle. But take a look at that. Long ball actually target ni Jove, but Myla Pablo, masyado siya
Starter in some games. Down 6 again. Vanny. Cheng will go to Aiza. Doug. Dawn chases. Easy over. MJ gets it.
Yeah.
Even if she wanted it a bit higher.
Like what I mentioned previously, na mas gusto niya mas mataas na set dahil mas mataas yung contact niya sa bola, but a good adjustment there.
Back to 7-point lead. Acuña, binitin ng konti. That's already a floor touch. Team is, or the other team is 3 points away from taking the set. You still want to get a little bit of, at kung maganda, kung makahabol ka. Pero kung hindi man, mailaban mo pa rin, ano?
As long as they won't stop.
Yeah. Candler goes long. Aiza with a tip. Dawn was there for coverage again. Cess off speed.
Good read by Pontillas.
Good footy. Set back by Gandler. Pablo again. And that will go in. Oh, what a sequence. Everything clicking. Even the feet.
Pontillas. Look at that coverage. Na-block si Myla, but ready yung puti doon ni Pontillas.
Ayoko nang mag-bend, no?
Pwede naman pala yun, di ba?
Pwede.
Pwede. If you're Petrogas, you want to have a good first ball na sakto kay Cheng para ma-activate niya or mapaghiwalay niya yung spikers niya, but that first ball was not good.
Inatake ni Gandler kaagad si Sabete. Malamig na malamig.
Yeah.
They said they had problems finishing matches and they want to correct it in this conference. Well, they finished this first set. Their biggest lead was 8. They win by 6, 25. Boom Gonzalez, Paneng, the Koenig Swarter. Of course, we have Jana Ejido roaming around the Phil Sports Arena, dancing through the Christmas songs that were being played here in the venue, and we will hear from her in a bit. But now, second set action. Running attack to Acuña.
Good running attack by Acuña.
She has a very short slide. She doesn't sell it with a long slide. MJ denied by Gandler. 2-0 Signal HD.
Papalakas ng loob namin kasi nakapag-invest na kami for 2025. So let's see how they continue with a strong start here in set 2 after that set 1 loss. Back to you, Boone.
And the Signal HD Spikers enjoying their time here in the second set so far, but not after that Myla Pablo's kill.
Angels there on who will get that first ball.
Brooke with the first ball. Perfect first ball. And a very forceful dunk ball by Myla Pablo for her 11th point of the match. 0.6.
And wala pa tayo sa kalagitnaan ng second set.
I'm sure Van Sickle doesn't mind this because in previous conferences, and speaking of great angles from Gandler, si Van Sickle yung parang buhat ng buhat sa Petrogas. Pero ngayon nga, variety now on the Vanny Gandler cross or attacks. Good up. Long ball. Back to MJ. Look at her. Hang and hit.
At kay Cheng na taasan yung set sa kanya on the quick dahil yun yung kanyang set and comfort zone talaga for.
It's looking like she's physically getting back to her old self. Petrogas, when all these players, Paneng, are going to be dangerous, but These other, and the variety also of her runs.
A short run.
Pace herself in matches. Especially if these matches go long. Gandler letting it go and letting it drop. And this... Good first ball. Good sell by Acuna, but a better read by Palma. We're all tied up.
Good first ball.
Solid ng receiving ni Barbon today. Chess! Oh, pakabilis na dating ng bola.
Because it was not the first time na nakita natin na mababa eh.
You're right, you're right. Molina gets it through the block. 1 point lead. Acuna on tap. Brooks on the other side. Smacks that ball with a little interest.
Still there. Take a look at that. Ang laki ng open na yun sa down the line.
Boy. Very competitive second set.
Good serve.
Dump ball.
Too easy for Katindik.
And very fast. Too fast for Doria Aquino. Glory Days comes back for another season. Premieres January 2025 only on the UAP Varsity Channel and the Pilipinas Live app. 16:15 for Signal.
Point na lang yung lamang ng Signal HD. Take a look at that again. Down the line hit by Myla Pablo na hindi pa rin.
They seem to be targeting Barbon. They seem to be going to the libero a lot. But Barbon. Tempiatura now checks in for her. Gandler full swing. Tempiatura chase. And a free ball for Signal. Doria Aquino this time puts it away. It was at 5 early in the set.
Good defense.
Good D by Abil. Easy ball here for Petro. Myla with a swipe. Abil recovering just in time. Gandler just sends it. And it's sent back. Acuna asking for it. Pumiti ng konti. And it works. Accidental offense also.
Good adjustment from her. Take a look at that again. Ang hirap dahil pa-approach pa lang siya. But take a look at that.
And Coach Koji will call his second timeout. Pablo receiving, and MJ swinging.
Sa kanya, nasabi niya, drop balls are no longer working for them, so they have to spike the ball. And yan, nalalapit na tayo sa end ng second set, but humahabol ang Petrogas sa lamang ng Signal.
Acuna this time was denied entry. The All-Filipino Conference. We were tied at 11, and now we're tied at 19. Dug by Sabete. And Petrogas takes over the lead.
So the pressure is on for the Signal HD Spikers. Timeout by Coach Shaq.
Back to back.
Point advantage to the Petrogas Angels.
Cess been defending very well from the back row. Danny Gandler gets it back. Barbon again with a perfect pass. But a perfect read this time by Acuna and company. The bench.
I think the set was a bit low for MJ Phillips, Vanny, and Acuna.
Barbon again. See, we'll go back to Vanny. Sent back. Dawn unable to time it correctly.
Again, the blockings of Petrogas really on point for this game. Interesting substitution here for the Petrogas Angels, with the Coron being a opposite hitter and blocker.
Pablo hinatid kay Brook. Back to Signal. Back set. Set back. See, gitna. Denied. Although the credit, I think, will go to Remy Palma for this one. Bang.
Yeah. Good block there to cross.
Abil.
Oh, nakahabol pa si Palma.
Candler. Best defense by Petrogas.
Oh!
Has been awesome.
That's right. Net defense or floor defense. Angels deserves a second look. Parang dalawa na yung save na gano'n ni Michelle Morente.
Kaya naman pinasok in the second set for Brooke Van Sickle. Third set underway. And we begin with a Doria Aquino swing.
Your signal as much as possible. Iiwas mo na kay Barbon dahil ang ganda. Ang taas na efficiency niya on the first.
Again, Barbon the target and Barbon delivering. And still able to get a point off of the sky ball. Puding Durendes comes in for signal. Judith. Oh, that's just easy for Van Sickle to return that ball. Not good enough. When you got guys like Van Sickle, di talaga pwede yung ganyang klaseng tapikan na lang.
Ang taas ng reach nila sa block.
Oo eh. Vanny Gantler in the meantime gets another point there.
Of course, where she joined the Petrogas Angels earlier in February, and it hasn't been a year yet for her in the Philippines. But beyond all her big games and big performances, her favorite part of the year is all the bonding she had with the team, particularly mentioning their trips in CDO, Iloilo, and Candon, telling me that things off the court feel like one big sleepover. And she tells me she values the things off the court just as much as in it. Outside of her super spiker form, the way we know she is. Exactly what we're
Thank you very much. And on cue, Jana. Such an all-around complete package that the Petrogas Angels have in Brooke. Reverse. Cayuna. Oh, that's going to drop in.
Yeah.
A couple of points off a block and an ace for Vanny. 4 serving 3. Chance ball. It's a good sell by Riri. Cheng opens to Pablo.
Oh, good chase, but not good enough for Judith Abil.
Judith from behind.
Oh.
Oh, what a spot.
Yeah.
Dawn is back to receive. Abil, who also moonlighted as libero for Signal. When Dawn was out, Cess with the tip. Brooke will send it back easily. Riri faking.
Good block.
Good reaction there by Gel. Overpass. Gel will go for it.
Oh, that was inside. Drop ball by Janelle Cheng.
Court awareness, partner.
Yeah, take a look at that. Ang layo na ni Katindig dahil nakaabang na siya sa gitna dahil dun
That's a perfect set for Riri.
Zero tempo set for Riri Meneses. Netly Cayuna for that quick.
Spike of the set brought to you by Duncan Pasalubong. Misreceived. Barbon will save it. Pablo still able to send it over with some force. Back row. Cayuna was there. Vanny again. Oh, the chase by Cheng. Nobody there.
Good save.
Up. Good coverage. Good reaction there by the defense. And they will call a challenge, a net fault. Vanny again from behind. They continue to feed the pipe Sent back. Miscommunication there. Chance to counter. Doria Aquino asking for it.
Yeah.
So, siya taga-dig. Si Barbon taga-receive. And again, a good first ball by Barbon. Torrentes with the slide. Reverse to Abil. One-on-one. And Van Sickle closes the door.
One game pa lang. Single block na nga lang siya doon. But this block of the set is brought to you by East
Averaging 22.4. 9-8. Combination play. Executed perfectly by Signal.
for Janelle Cheng. But take a look at that hit by Ces Molina.
So she came in talking about BVS as ang ganda naman ng announcement. Very well pa rin.
Yes. Dami namin pinagsamahan setter.
Level. I was about to say si BVS, si Brooke Van Sickle. You mentioned in the pregame, 8 blocks coming into this match, di ba?
Yeah.
Ngayon, 6 na today. Imagine that. And last conference only had 10 in total. Chance ball. Down 1.
Good check.
Sabete, very angled attack. It's gonna go out. Bump set to Sabete. Cayuna chases, gives it up to Vanny. Sayed reverses again. The tip ball. Cayuna reverses to the back row. Good spot by Ces Molina.
Good target there.
Sabete on top of that ball.
Sabete, pag nakita niya ganyang kalaki ang opening ng cross court, talagang ididiin na.
Vanny in the middle.
What a save!
Piatura with the left hand. And Pablo scores!
A down the line angle on the hit by Myla Pablo.
Look at that, keeping it in play. Pablo, full approach. Crossbody swing on all Filipino conference.
Oh,
rare time.
yeah, I think that was the first time na maka-service.
2 points for Abil.
Yeah, good serve.
Floater. Candler now. Good first ball again. MJ. MJ talaga, merong beatin talaga.
Take a look at that again.
Look at that. Just at the top of her jump. Ang hirap din i-block. Abil. Cayuna shoots it to the other side. Brooke was there. Pablo. Candler. Dawn will bump set it to Ces. Goes behind the blockers.
Oh!
What a smart speed or off-speed hit by Brooke Van Sickle.
Ang hirap no, dahil ang layo ng approach eh. Take a look at that. Layo ni Don Katindig.
Atras lahat
Of
eh.
combination plays.
This is the sharpest I've seen them this conference.
Yeah.
Ano,
Na maganda yung start hanggang
Yes.
sa patapos ng mga sets. Maganda pa rin ang pinapakita nilang laro.
matches. They lost again to Creamline. And then they beat Choco Mucho, Farm Fresh, Choco Mucho even, and Next Led. But right now, Petrogas is just doing everything right. As Cayuna, who has been silent today, that is her first point. It's not a strange thing for setters to have 1 point or 2 points, but for Cayuna, she's
Brooke, Jonah, and Barbon.
Sayed will try to finish off the match also for Janelle Cheng. Back to Brooke. Changes the angle, changes the point of attack.
And sending their team to match point.
7 of them. Yun yung sinasabi natin kanina eh. She let Myla Pablo do the damage early. She had enough energy to try to finish off a Signal HD Spikers here who has saved 1 match point. 18 serving 24. 6 more match points to overcome. Adolfo takes that one. Sabete is sent back. Sayed back to Jonah.
Oh!
And that change of pace
Yeah.
really fooled the blockers of Signal.
But really was able to read that drop ball, but hindi lang ganun kaganda yung taas niya ng bola. But talking about Petrogas Angels, a very good game for their squad from start to finish, ending this game in straight sets, giving the Signal HD Spikers their first loss for this conference so far.